Hey everyone, I'm Jess.
And I'm Luciano.
From You Speak Portuguese. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you 5 different colors in Portuguese.
Yeah, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video.
Hey everyone, welcome back. As I said before, we're going to teach you 5 different colors in Portuguese.
Yes, and if you missed the last video where we taught you how to count from 0 to 5 in Portuguese, we will leave a link right in the description below, so make sure to go there and watch that video as well.
Alright, so first to start, I'm going to speak the English part and Luciano the Portuguese part, and we're going to bounce back and forth between English and Portuguese just to familiarize yourself with the new vocabulary. So we're going to start with yellow,
Amarelo,
orange,
laranja,
red,
vermelho,
blue,
azul,
green.
verde. Alright, one more time.
Yellow,
Amarelo,
orange,
laranja,
red,
vermelho,
blue,
azul,
green.
verde.
Awesome. Now Luciano's just going to do it on his own, and you're going to have some time after that to repeat it yourself.
Alright, so I'm gonna tell all the 5 colors and I'm gonna give you maybe 2 or 3 seconds so you can try to repeat, okay? So repeat after me. Amarelo, laranja, vermelho, azul, verde. One more time. Amarelo, laranja, vermelho, azul, verde.
Alright, so Luciano's going to say it a little bit faster this time, so just listen and learn.
Amarelo, laranja, vermelho, azul, verde. One more time. Amarelo, laranja, vermelho, azul, verde. Faster now. Amarelo, laranja, vermelho, azul, verde.
Awesome. It sounds like you guys got it down pat, but make sure to watch this video as many times as you need until you get comfortable with it.
Alright, congratulations everyone, you just learned 5 colors in Portuguese. If you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you have any questions, just leave in the comments down below. And we'll see you in the next video.
Yes, congratulations everyone. So in the next video, we're going to teach you 5 new vocab words. So we'll see you then. Bye!
Ciao! Verde. One more time.
Like, will you do that one more time? Every time I looked down, I kept looking down because I didn't remember. Look at that squirrel's butt.
Yeah, that was distracting me. One more time.
Are you asking me?
One more time.
One more time what?
Do it again. Yellow.
Oh. Okay, sorry. Ready?
Yeah.
All over again?
Uh-huh.
Okay, ready?